Hey guys, M13 here. I'm gonna go do some airsoft for my first time. I'm doing it with this group of guys in this car here. They're all Russians, and I just had a cool thing happen. Yeah, it was pretty cool. I was all chuffed. Is that a British word? Anyways, I'm riding along next to them, and then we get to a red light, and one of the guys leans out of the car and he goes, "Hey M," he goes, "You're," because I told him my name was M, because I just said it's my nickname, and I said, yeah, I just said my name's M. And I said it's a nickname, and they're like, okay, and they're all calling me M. And then one of the guys at one of the red lights, he leans out the guy, he goes, "Are you M13?" And I'm like, "Yeah." He goes, "We watch your videos." So and I said, "Oh, you've seen a couple of my videos?" He goes, "No, we watch a lot of them. You're a star, man." Oh, he gave me a thumbs up for my little drift. Yeah, so it was pretty cool. I just meet some people, and they all know who I am. Another good thing about airsoft and paintballing in Taiwan is it's very common in Taiwan. You have abandoned buildings, abandoned factories. They don't wall them off. In Canada, if anything that was run down or abandoned like this, they would wall it off so you couldn't get in because they'd be worried about being sued or whatnot. But in Taiwan, it's very common just to leave it open. No, help if I turn the safety off. Shit. That's nowhere near. Whoa. Whoa. That was the second floor collapsing. Crazy. We're just checking out the yeah, there's holes all over it. They said that when the locals play, they don't go to the second floor, but they're like, yeah, maybe we can. I'm like, oh, it's not. This is hard for me to squat. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that one right. Oh, where did that come from? This is fun. Oh! I'm not getting hit. We need to keep moving forward. Oh, hit! That's fun. Some more people showed up. We got some of their local friends. So now it's 4 of us versus 2 Taiwanese and one of the Russians, one on that side. Oh yeah, Eugenio. Shit, safety's on. You got him. My shadow's mocking me. I can see my fingers flopping around, and I can see my legs. When I was just running just then, I'm looking at my shadow. I'm like, look, I look like a retard. It's depressing. Fucking safety was on again. Hit. It's all right. Woo! I'm so happy right now. Wheel italiano. 你们还有一个吗? No, your big guy's out. 我们赢了. Yeah. Finished. I got both of them. That's my first kill ever, and I got it on video, so. Thank you. Aim for their dicks, because my bullets keep going too high, so if I aim for the dicks, I might get them in the face. Somebody needs to yell finish when we're finished. I don't know. Okay. Did you yell it in English, Chinese, or Russian?
Oh, it's okay. We can handle it, and you can just take the door.
Oh God, I'm a cripple. I'm a cripple. I wonder what I look like to the people going by on the street. A guy with a mask on his face and a gun in his hand.
Like you're riding somewhere, and like the final like parts, you're playing with a kid. He was playing with Lego or something, like bigger pieces of Lego, and he said, "Oh, it's song de like your mom's vagina." Instead, I was drinking something. I just spit it out like.
You didn't hit me yet. You're in trouble. Oh. I hit you? Oh!
Shut my shoes.
Yeah, I got you. I was aiming for your leg. I thought you were on my team. Good hit. You got me in the face. No, it's good. It's a good hit. You ever heard of M13? M13? No? Okay, I suck.